Hello. Today we'll teach you how to integrate Stripe as a payment method in your restaurant's digital menu. Using Stripe for your online menu allows for smoother business operations with the least amount of effort and manpower. So let's get you started. So here's how you can integrate Stripe for your digitized operations with Menu Tiger. Log into your Menu Tiger account. Once you see your dashboard, go to the lower left corner and then click Integrations. There, you'll see the payment options under Payments. Since we'll be integrating Stripe, click Setup. You'll then be redirected to a page where you're going to fill in your restaurant Stripe account. You'll need to fill in the email and password to your Stripe account. Choose your saved information and then click Continue. Review your information, then click Submit. After that, go back to the Payments page of your Menu Tiger account. Under Stripe, you'll see Successfully Integrated, Chargers Enabled, and Payouts Enabled. You can then click the toggle button to enable Stripe as your payment method. Your customers should now be able to choose Stripe during checkout. Apple Pay and Google Pay are enabled by default with Stripe, so customers may choose to pay with their card or with their Apple Pay or Google Pay account. To test your Stripe integration, go to your customer website and order some food items. If you see Stripe in the payments method, your integration has been successful and now you're good to go. Integrating payment options with us, it won't cost you a penny. So go to menutiger.com to start your journey with us today. Powered by QR Tiger, elevating customer and business experience using Menu QR code.